Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick one. We've created a Discord community for the channel, for my channel, for all the stuff I'm about, all the things I do, trying to get everything in one place. So Discord's like a great community sort of app, and you can basically just join in. We've created an invite which will be in the description below. You just click on that if you've got a Discord account, or if you haven't got a Discord account, create one, and you can be part of the community. So what's all this about? Let's dive in. I'll show you what Discord is. I'm pretty new to it. Neil has actually Neil from NJ Tech Channel has basically set this up. He was hassling me for ages to get me to do this, because he said it would be great for like the community, for people to discuss stuff, all the topics that we talk about on the channel, and for you guys to basically talk to each other and share your own stuff, pictures, media, instructions, and help. Somewhere that's kind of a bit like the comment section of YouTube, but just expanded, and that isn't Facebook, because we know not everybody likes Facebook. Anyway, so let's dive in. I'll show you what it's kind of all about. So this is the Discord app. This is a desktop app that basically you can just download on your computer. You can also get it on your phone as well. It's just a straightforward app, and just download it from the iPhone store, the Play Store. And yeah, so when you come in, you've basically got all these different feeds that we've set up. So we've got general, just a place for you guys to just sort of chat, and I've been in there, you know, just chatting away in there as well. E-bikes, we've got a different category there for the e-bike stuff, and yeah, so you can see like a lot of conversations starting to happen. This is only a couple of weeks old, this Discord server, so it's been quite interesting to see how quick, you know, we've got a few members over there. It's like 11 online right now. We've got a gallery for, sorry about my voice, I don't know what's going on today. You've got a gallery here to share your pictures for your e-bikes, tech, help info. I mean, basically this is to sort of like help me out as well, because I get so many inquiries and I can't answer them all. So like having somewhere where I can just dip in and out of as well, and just help people, and also you guys can help each other as well, because there's already seeing there's quite a lot of activity. We've got a drones channel as well, so all the stuff kind of relative to that. I was doing some stuff this weekend with yeah, trying to fit a GoPro on my Baby Hawk 2, so that's kind of like an ongoing thing that's happening there. See a bit of me and Neil chatting on here as well. Ham radio stuff as well, for those of you who like that kind of thing. Music, computers, people sharing their rigs on there, and yeah, solar, all this sort of stuff, and Twizy. And we've also got a for sale section, so if you've got anything you want to flog to the masses, then you can head over there and do it. This is all free, all part of, you know, we just set this up, and basically, yeah, go and check that out. So yeah guys, this is super fresh. I don't understand a lot of it. Neil has set this up, he set up the server and done all of this, so I'm learning too about how this all works. But there's lots of other avenues or communities in Discord which you can join as well. You can do you know, direct video conversation, video conferencing, audio, all that sort of stuff. So it's a great place to kind of, you know, talk with other people that are interested in the same thing. Basically, that's what we're trying to do. So yeah, super interesting. Go check that out. Hope to see you over there, and yeah, more videos will be coming soon.